Hello friends, this is Mrs. Sheetal Deshpande from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. I welcome you in today's session. Today we will continue with lesson 5th, the freedom struggle. In that we are going to discuss about changes in society after the revolt of 1857. We are going to see about reformation. We are going to see about social reformation. In that we have two social reformers. Who are those? First, we have Rajaram Mohan Roy. Second, we have Swami Vivekananda. Yes, my dear students, today we will continue with lesson 5, freedom struggle. Next, we will see about changes in society after the revolt of 1857. As we read earlier, the British government ruled over India after 1857, but the things did not change much. They ruled strictly for the benefit of England. The British believed that they were superior and the Indians were inferior. See, by seeing the images also you can get it clear that what is meant by the superiority and what is meant by the inferiority. See, by seeing the first image, what it symbolizes? It symbolizes one British officer. He was commanding on a soldier. Second image, the British officer, they got the place on a chair and the Indians, they sat on a land. Third image, what it symbolizes? It symbolizes the Indians, they were always ready that to listen the Britishers. They were always ready to serve for the Britishers. That was showing what exactly the superiority of the Britishers and inferiority of the Indians. Who felt that? The Britishers only felt that. But the spark had been set after the revolt. The British tried to suppress the Indians under their rule. The more people wanted to be free. This great desire for freedom was felt by many people. Different people took up different ways to achieve it. See, by seeing the first image, what it symbolized? It symbolized the Mangal Pandey. Because of his act only, the spark of first Bharatiya War of Independence in 1857. Second two images, what it symbolized? The revolt started, revolt began from different places. Next, we will see about the reformation. Let's see, students, what is meant by exactly the reformation. It is a type of social movement that aims to gradual change in a certain aspects of society. Ram Mohan Roy, what I said, Ram Mohan Roy is the founder of reformation in India. Here we have an image of Ram Mohan Roy. Let's see the detail about social reformation. Let's read about a few people and their approaches. Social reformers tried to improve the society by challenging the existing customs and beliefs. It refers to any attempt that seeks to correct any injustice in the society. People who are involved in social reforms do so with the aim of improving the quality of life. It had been very important in the past. Without them, many of us would not be able to take on the roles in the society that we do today.
Students, let's see more about Rajaram Mohan Roy. Rajaram Mohan Roy felt that if Indians wanted freedom, they should prove that they deserve it. He wanted Indians to give up their bad habits and customs. He wanted everyone, including women, to educate. He stood against caste system, child marriages.
Next, we will see about his contribution to India. Let's see the detail about Raja Ram Mohan Roy. First I said what? Ram Mohan Roy. Now I am calling to him Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Why is it so? See, maker of modern India, founder of Brahmo Samaj, first socio-religious reformer, major role in abolishing the sati, which already we have discussed in last chapter. Great scholar and awarded by title Raja. Means next we will see about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda also felt the same way. Most of the Indian felt that they were religious, but Swami Vivekananda believed that service to mankind is service to God. He urged the Indians to fight against the evils of the society with courage and strength. We have here an image of Swami Vivekananda, one who was a great leader, one who was a great social reformer. Swami Vivekananda was a great social reformer. He was born in Kolkata on 12th January 1863. He has done many social activities to change the social problems. He felt that the three problems are resistance of our progress. Those are education, poverty, casteism. According to Subhash Chandra Bose, Vivekananda is the maker of modern India. According to Gandhi, it was the influence of Swami Vivekananda that he loves to his country. So, my dear students, in this way today we have covered changes in society after the revolt of 1857, reformation. What is a social reformation? And as per that, we have discussed the two great social reformer. One is Rajaram Mohan Roy and second is Swami Vivekananda. Next part of it we will continue in next session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.